Hello and welcome to another episode of My Expert Computer Guy's Beginner's Basics. Create a banner image for WordPress using PicMonkey.com. So let's get started. To get started, go to www.PicMonkey.com. That's PicMonkey.com. You can choose to edit an image, touch up an image, make your own design, or create a collage. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the collage to create. You can also use the image we're going to create today in your sliders, if that's something you choose to do. Click on Collage, and the program will ask you to select an image. Here, I've already set up some images I'd like to use, so I'll select one, press Open. We'll go to the next screen, which has our default collage. We're going to change that by clicking on the Layouts tab. Select Ducks in a Row, and that gives us several choices to choose from. I'm going to choose the 3 ducks in a row, which gives us this look. Now, go down to the bottom and click on the Size tab. We're going to change the width to 920 for our purposes. You can set it to anything you like, and if you're using it for a WordPress theme, the dimensions of your slider will vary depending on the theme you're using. Check your theme's documentation to find the dimensions that your theme requires. For the height, I'm going to change that to 280, and there we go. Now I want to change the spacing around the images. I'm going to make it 30. You can use any size that you prefer. We could also change the corner rounding to give us a nice little rounded corner if we like. Go all the way up to circles if that's what we prefer. I'm going to leave squares for now to give it that old-time photo album look. Now here you can change the color. You can change the color to anything you like using the whole spectrum of colors here. I'm going to use basic black. You could also make a transparent background if that's what you're going for. Once we have those settings, it's time to enter our images. We only have one image now. We can drag and drop that anywhere on the grid we'd like. Once the image is in the grid, we can move it around to get a better position. Depending on the image you select, you may only get side to side, or you may be able to adjust up and down, but this image is only going to work side to side. You could also edit the image to make it bigger or smaller if that's the look you're looking for. Go ahead and choose that. You could change the exposure, make it lighter, darker, put it back on 0. You can flip the image, and there's a little bit of movement there. There we go. Then we're going to need some more images, so we'll click on Open Photos, Open from my computer, and I'm going to select this image and this image right here. Open, drag and drop the photos, pow and pow. Here again, we can move and resize it as we like. Click on the Edit button. It won't let us go smaller. We can make it bigger, but not smaller. We can get a feel for the probably that's best. And do like that. Okay. We could add effects. Oh, this is a paid feature. You need to upgrade for that. And there we are. I think I'm going to use that size right there. Now then, once we have our image the way we like, we click on Save, and we save the image to our computer. We can also set the quality. We could go real skimpy on quality, average quality, or supersize our quality. I'm going to supersize it for today. Save the image, and there you have it. We have an image that's ready to be inserted into our slider. And by exploring the many different things you can do with PicMonkey, I'm sure using your imagination, you could come up with a whole lot more.